Myself, Mark Faraz, and today the topic of my presentation is codeine. As we have discussed a detailed conversation on codeine, like we have discussed the history of codeine and its side effects, its presence, how we extract codeine. Now, today we are going to discuss the effects of codeine on our body, that how codeine affects our different parts of body. Codeine is an opioid medication, can have several and various effects on the body. Here are some of the effects of codeine. This is basically work as pain reliever. Codeine is primarily used for its analgesic properties. It can help alleviate mild to moderate pain by binding to opioid receptors in the brain, spinal cord, and peripheral tissues. Cough suppression. Codeine acts as a cough suppressant by dispersing the cough reflex in the brain. It can be effective in reducing coughing caused by respiratory infections, allergies, or other conditions. Now, coming to the basic part of our body which controls the whole body, central nervous system. Codeine affects the central nervous system and can cause sedation, drowsiness, and a general feeling of relaxation. It can slow down brain activity, leading to decreased alertness and impaired coordination. It also leads to mood changes and euphoria. Codeine can induce feelings of euphoria and well being in some individuals. These effects contribute to its potential for abuse and addiction. Respiratory depression. One of the significant risks associated with codeine use is respiratory depression. Higher doses or misuse of codeine can suppress the respiratory system, leading to shallow or slowed breathing. This effect can be potentially life threatening, especially when combined with other respiratory depressants. Gastrointestinal effects. Codeine can cause various gastrointestinal effects, including constipation. It slows down the muscular contractions in the intestines, leading to difficulty in passing stools. It can also cause nausea, vomiting, and stomach discomfort in some individuals. Itching and allergic reactions. Codeine can cause itching or hives as an allergic reaction in some individuals. These symptoms may indicate an allergic response and should be promptly evaluated by a healthcare professional. Dependence and withdrawal. Prolonged use of codeine can cause physical dependence, where the body adapts to the presence of the drug. Suddenly supporting or rapidly reducing codeine intake can result in withdrawal symptoms such as anxiety, restlessness, muscle aches, and insomnia. Now we are going to discuss that with which enzymes the codeine react in our body and through whole process continues. Codeine interact with several enzymes in the body, primarily during its metabolization. The main enzyme involved in the metabolism of codeine is cytochrome 2D6. Here's an overview of the enzyme reactions with codeines. Like we are discussing that through which enzymes codeine can react, and these are the detail. Cytochrome 2D6. This enzyme is responsible for converting codeine into its active metabolite, morphine. Cytochrome 2D6 catalyzes the O demethylation of codeine, resulting in the formation of morphine, which is responsible for the analgesic effect of codeine. However, it's important to note that cytochrome 2D6 activity can vary among individuals due to genetic polymorphisms, leading to differences in codeine metabolism and response. Cytochrome 3A4. Although cytochrome 2D6 is the primary enzyme involved in the codeine metabolism, a secondary pathway involves cytochrome 3A4. This enzyme contributes to the formation of norcodeine. Codeine is an inactive metabolite. Cytochrome 3A4 can also interact with other medications or substances, potentially affecting codeine metabolism if used concurrently. Glucuronidase transferases. After codeine undergoes metabolism by cytochrome 2d6 and cytochrome 3a4, the resulting metabolites including morphine and norcodeine are further metabolized by glucuronidation. This is basically the enzyme which is responsible for conjugating glucuronic acid to the metabolites, facilitating their elimination from the body. These enzyme interactions play a significant role in determining the effectiveness and safety of codeine use. Variation in cytochrome 2d6 activity, which can occur due to genetic polymorphins, can result in differences in codeine metabolism and response. Some individuals may be poor metabolizers, leading to reduced conversion of codeine to morphine, while other may be ultra rapid metabolizer, resulting in faster and more efficient conversion. Thank you. This is all about the topic of codeine. Now we have covered a wide variety of information about codeine.